happening? We're back in the shop. Today we got the RMZ450. Look, RMZD's big brother. And we got chain and sprockets going on, a front tire, and a whole graphics kit from OMX graphics. Thing's gonna be pretty dope. Customer's super excited. He just put fresh plastics on her. Did a rear tire last time it was here. All right, we're gonna start with the front tire. I'm gonna work my way back, do the chain sprockets, and then I'll do the graphics last. Nothing but the best, OMX. That's the kit he went with. We got that freshy front tire on. Maybe rocking RMZ450. Alright, let's head over to the chain and sprocket. All right, so they sent the wrong rear sprocket, so I'm gonna skip over that for now. I already got one on order. It should be here by Friday, hopefully. So we are gonna dive into these graphics. All right, let's do it. Are you looking fresh? All right, let's keep going. Woo! Looking good. There she is. Now, you guys got to go back and look at my other video. This is the one that came in, was pretty clapped out. But man, we got fresh rubber on it, front and back. Just waiting on that rear sprocket. Should have fresh chain and sprockets. Valves are all done. What do you guys think? Huge shout out, OMX Graphics. Probably put on a dozen of their kits now. I wouldn't go with anybody else. Completely customizable. Logos, doesn't matter. They'll get you right. Came out mint. I don't understand how people hate doing graphics or have a hard time doing graphics.